Hi, congratulations on signing up for a healing light bed session. I'm just going to show you in this video how to turn on the bed, what to expect on your first visit, where to put your clothes, all that good stuff. So let's do it. Let's move into the spa room where lo and behold, we have the light bed. So when you come in, it's going to be on. We'll have the curtains pulled. In future days, if for some reason the curtains aren't pulled like this, they will be over in this corner and you can pull them out yourselves. So let's go over what you're going to do on your first session. So there's a couple things you're going to do. You're going to end up pulling these curtains around. You can hang some stuff on the hook there. You can put the rest of your stuff on the chair. You can say we're just kind of covering that up. So we've got the curtains closed now. You're going to get undressed, and we do this in the buff on here. We'll have a sheet for you to climb under. You're going to get your skin right on this nice warm red acrylic here. Your body's going to absorb this light, so surface area is really important. You're going to be on your back for 20 minutes with your head here with the light panel shining on your face, and then you're going to flip over onto your tummy. After 20 minutes, it'll beep and turn off, and it'll give you 30 seconds to turn over on your tummy and put your face in there. And don't worry, you can take as long as you need to turn over. Whenever it beeps and turns off after being on my back for 20 minutes, I always take longer than 30 seconds to turn over. The light will end up coming back on and we'll get on our tummies there. So there are two things that you'll need to do before we get this session going. And I want you to know how to do these yourselves. First thing we need to do after we've gotten undressed is turn the face panel on. So we'll push the on button and then the 5-minute button multiple times until it reaches 30 minutes, and then push on. Now the light's on. What we'll do is we'll gently push that to the side so that you can lie down. The back of your head's going to be there. You have a pillow underneath it. There's one right here, if not there, and there's other pillows usually over there in that corner. Then we're ready to turn the start button on. Just like that. That was the magic sound. Now you're ready to slide under your sheet, put on your goggles on your eyes, the back of your head right there. Gently pull this over 1 to 2 inches from your face and you're good to go. But that's the basic setup. 20 minutes on your back, then this will beep, and it'll be another 20 minutes on your tummy. It will beep again, turn off, and then you can take your time. You've got plenty of time. You can sit up at the edge here. You can take a few breaths. Notice the sensation of the warmth that's now moving through your body. Notice if your level of stress is slightly decreased. Notice if maybe you have a little gentle sense of optimism or peace. Those are some of the things that we're hearing about reported after that first session. I hope that really helps give you an idea. Afterwards, you can kind of open these curtains and off you go into the day, relaxed and rejuvenated. I hope this video helped. All right, we'll see you soon in the office. We'll explain it some more when you get here too, but I just wanted to give you a heads up. See you soon.